Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a video last. I've been kind of MIA with work and travel and just life. So last time I spoke to you guys, I believe I was just getting ready to leave for China and Japan on vacation. That trip was amazing. I since have been to India and Thailand. We went to do the Golden Triangle, starting in Delhi to Agra and to Jaipur, ending back in Delhi, heading over to the Phi Phi Islands in Thailand. What amazing trip. What two completely different cultures, and just completely mind blown by India. Seeing the Taj Mahal was like amazing. But yeah, so I'm back today with a new video. It's going to be my new Chanel boy bag unboxing. It's my, technically it's my first official boy bag, or Chanel bag. I did get a Chanel Pochette, little small bag, a number of years ago. I was super young and didn't value it, and, took it clubbing with me all the time, and it totally got trashed. So I was lucky enough to be able to have this beautiful bag bought for me as a gift. So I was looking for some statistics on my phone to give you guys about the bag, dimensions. Let me see if I can find it. So if you're wondering what the bag is that I'm talking about, it is the Chanel Boy bag. It's a new medium. It is a rare color combination that was extremely difficult to find. And lucky for me, I remembered I had a contact at Chanel that I used to work with. And she was so amazing to help me locate the bag here in South Coast Plaza in Orange County. I myself have tried to track down this bag both here in the US and both in Hong Kong, Paris. I've called London. I've called everywhere pretty much trying to find it, and unfortunately it just wasn't available in the size and color combination that I wanted. So with the help of my friend at Chanel at South Coast, she was able to find it for me, and I'm so grateful, and I'm so in love with the bag. So before I get into showing you the bag, I thought I would just mention to you that if you are looking for something a little bit difficult to find, or you feel like, whoever you're dealing with at Chanel isn't willing to work for your business, I would highly recommend going to see my sales associate. Her name is Kiki. She works again at the South Coast Plaza boutique itself. She will definitely work for your business, and she will help you locate the items that you're trying to locate. So I have the receipt here for the bag. The bag price was $5,200. Our tax rate here is 7.75%. So it was $5,603 even after tax. So a little bit about why I chose this bag in particular. I had been wanting a classic flap bag for a long, long time. I feel like it's such a classic item to have in your wardrobe. By no means is it super attainable. It's extremely expensive. And if you're familiar with Chanel, if you collect Chanel, or you just follow Chanel in general, you know that their prices tend to go up very, very often. So if you're able to purchase something, I recommend doing it, because I'm sure that same item a year from now the value just continues to go up. It never really goes down. Yeah, so without further ado, let me go ahead and show you the bag. It does come in this really beautiful Chanel shopping bag. It has the camellia flower on the front. It comes in this beautiful black box. When you open the bag, it's just a lot of tissue paper. It does have the Chanel little like booklet. Let's see what's inside. Anything falling out. So inside here, it looks like it has like this really nice little cloth. I'm assuming to like dust it off. Maybe any like light scratches or something. And then on this side it does have some information about the bag, how to care for your bag. Okay. So there is some tissue paper on the handle of the bag itself, which I think I'm going to leave attached just because it is a pain to like take it off and put it back on. So I hope you guys understand that. This is the bag. So this is the boy bag in the new medium. It is this So Black. So if I get a little bit closer here, you can see that the hardware on the bag is indeed all black. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit. So this is like I didn't undo the chain completely just because I don't want to take that all off. This bag is just, it's everything. Like, it's so gorgeous. Like, every time I try to convince myself to wear it, every time I approach the bag, I'm like, no, what if something gets spilled on it? What if you damage it? I'm a little bit weird like that. I tend to get nice things and then I don't want to wear them because they cost a lot of money and I'm afraid like I'm gonna ruin them or something. So I tend to keep things kind of just in my closet until, I don't know, I guess I get just desperate and I'm like, I'm just going to wear it. If something happens, okay, it happens. But as of right now, it's so new to me that I'm still freaking out about wearing it. So anyway, this is the bag. It is that really soft, I want to say it's the caviar leather. Maybe I'm wrong. You would think I would have come on here with like all these facts, right? About probably all the things that most experienced YouTubers probably research and have like a list of things to tell you about with the bag. I'm not that prepared. Let's just be honest. It is the really soft leather, but it does have a little bit of texture to it. It's just so, it smells like amazing. It has like, you can see the little Chanel sign on the sides here. On the other side, it opens like so. So you just squeeze the sides here, and then it opens like that. It has all this stuff inside still. Let's see. Yeah, it's like stuffed with cardboard stuff, so, or paper. I don't want to take it out. I'm afraid. But yeah, anyway, so this is my new bag. I'm not exactly sure how is the best way to store it. That's probably something I should have asked Kiki, and I just, I didn't. I probably could text her and find out. But for any of you that are huge Chanel collectors or have a lot of bags, if you guys wouldn't mind just maybe letting me know how you store your bags. What's the best way? Do you keep all the paper inside? Do you keep them in the box wrapped in paper? Any helpful tips would be awesome. And yeah, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm always looking for new subscribers, so if you're interested in subscribing, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for taking the time to check out my video. Have a great one.